Today we are talking about how to unlock a privacy bedroom or bathroom lock. So specifically if you have a locking doorknob on your bedroom door, bathroom door, etc. So the first style, if you look closely, there'll be a slotted knob on the exterior of the bathroom or bedroom. And this slot is where you would insert like a flathead screwdriver or like a quarter or a coin, and you can turn that slotted doorknob there and unlock it. The second style, the doorknob would just have a small round hole, and you would insert this tool you see here in the picture straight into that hole, keeping it perfectly horizontal and straight. Don't turn it or bend it up and down or sideways. You'll feel it go into a notch inside the doorknob, and then you simply turn it and the doorknob will unlock. Here's an example. It's that easy. But you'll note that I kept that. It's kind of almost like a small flathead screwdriver, and I kept the flat part up and down. So you don't want the flat part pointing to the left and right. You want the flats to be pointing up and down, if that makes sense. I hope this short video helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thank you for watching.